Good day everyone, I'm Banuka and today I'll be presenting our research Vision-Based Assistive Technologies for People with Cerebral Visual Impairment, a review and focus study. This work is done in collaboration with my co-authors Leona, Nicola, Tuan, Nick, Arthur and Kim. The presentation will have four main sections. First, I will give a brief introduction to Cerebral Visual Impairment or CVI, followed by discussing the lack of research on assistive technologies for CVI. Then, I will discuss the 7 high-level challenges faced by people living with CVI. And finally, the differences in AT needs between people with CVI and ocular vision impairment or OVI. CVI is a type of vision impairment caused by damage to the brain's visual processing centers rather than the eyes. People with CVI may have trouble recognizing objects, faces, and maintaining visual focus. They often face difficulties in high-level functional vision. What do I mean by that? Difficulties in visual function can be divided into two categories, low-level and high-level. People with OVI mainly have difficulties with low-level visual functions, such as their visual acuity or visual field. Whereas people with CVI mainly have difficulties with high-level visual functions. These include struggling with visual attention, understanding where things are in space, and recognizing faces. So, can assistive technologies help people with CVI? To explore this, we conducted a scoping review to see what's currently being done at the intersection of CVI and Vision-Based Assistive Technologies or VBAT. We define VBAT as personal wearable devices that use AI-based computer vision to help people better understand and interact with their surroundings. From our scoping review, we identified a significant research gap. Most studies focused on understanding CVI rather than finding ways to assist people with it. Only 3 papers focused on assistance, out of which only one was directly relevant to CVI, but they only proposed the idea and did not develop it. So, we then wanted to understand how can vision-based assistive technologies help people with CVI? To do this, we conducted 3 focus group discussions with 7 participants living with CVI, one of whom is also co-author in our paper. Our goal was to understand the difficulties and challenges faced by people living with CVI, explore their current strategies, and discuss potential solutions on how VBAT devices could be useful for them. We discovered 7 high-level challenges. First was unawareness, where participants were unaware of objects, people, texts, or moving items. Next was locating, where they had difficulty finding an object that they know is in the environment. Next, participants had difficulties with identifying people, objects, and animals. Reading was also a challenge, especially text in their surroundings, mainly due to factors such as color, font, and size. Sensory overload was reported by all participants as it happens due to being inundated with multiple forms of sensory input. Mobility was also a main challenge, often stemming from difficulties in visual and motor coordination and difficulties navigating unfamiliar environments. And finally, luminance and contrast sensitivity was also a main challenge due to difficulties with subject and background separation and glare. Then, based on our study and previous research, we synthesized 5 key similarities and differences between the 18 needs of people with CVI and OVI. These are the differences in functional vision difficulties, differences in single versus multimodality interaction, visual complexity impact on vision, association with other neurological conditions, and finally, effects of vision rehabilitation. We also found that while CVI and ocular low vision share some challenges, each challenge needs unique strategies because their AT needs are different. I've only touched on 4 main points in this video, so I encourage you to read the full paper for more details. These include other findings from the scoping review, current strategies and potential solutions for each challenge, key device considerations when designing VBAT devices, practicality of the discussed solutions, and finally, considerations for HCI and AT researchers. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Thank you.